Hello YouTube friends, Ben Ochart here. Thank you for tuning in. And I just received a gift from my friends at Santa Monica Filtration. Let's take a look at what it is. As those of you who follow my channel know, I have a Santa Monica Filtration HOG1.3 hang on glass, in this case hang on acrylic, algae scrubber on the side of this tank. And it is helping to reduce nitrates, keeps them down below 10 parts per million, while at the same time helping to add oxygen to the tank, both through the bubbling and through the natural oxygen process that occurs from the algae. And it also produces a nice batch of algae that I harvest every week or two and feed as a treat to the plecos that live in this tank, like this fellow right here. So let's go take a look at what they sent me. They did a great job taping it up. I went ahead and cut it open off camera. I didn't want evidence showing that I was cutting towards myself or towards my wife's quilt. At any rate, you have a couple items in here, and the main one being of course, the algae scrubber itself. This is your airline tubing, and inside this algae scrubber you have LED lights and very powerful magnets that help keep it attached to the tank. And you have in here some LED lights that are of the perfect frequency. These put out the perfect light frequency to help promote the perfect spectrum to promote algae growth. And that algae then grows on this piece here, which is inside the tank, which has this rough surface, a very rough surface. You would never clean this, for example, with something that could possibly scrape your knuckles. You'd take all the skin off. It is a very rough. It's perfect for algae to grow on. And you can see the tubing is glued down along the edges. It's just a very, very well constructed, bulletproof unit. You can certainly DIY it, DIY something like this, and I've seen examples of such places like Joey's, king of over in Joey's Kingdom, the king of DIY. But this to me is sort of a bulletproof unit, very, very powerful. It comes with all the electronics you need. You have to mess with that, and everything on it is very heavy duty. There's a cloth here which helps you to regulate how much light you use in the beginning as you start to develop the algae, as it starts to take hold, and then as it really starts to take hold, you remove this off of the lights, and then you get a full, nice green algae bloom. Like I said, that algae can be used for your pleco. It can be used to, and also, of course, you have oxygen production and nitrate reduction going on. So I'm a big advocate of algae scrubbers, and I thank Santa Monica Filtration for sending this to me. So where am I gonna put this HOG1.3? Where am I gonna put this unit from Santa Monica? Where am I gonna put this thing? Well, it's either gonna go in this first chamber right here, or maybe in this second chamber here after I do a little redecorating and moving things around. And what the heck am I showing you here? Well, for the answer to that, my friends, you're going to have to stay tuned in, because I'm going to release that video in about 2 or 3 weeks. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and be sure to rate, sub, share, all that good stuff. Thank you so much. You are appreciated. And visit us on Facebook at Ben O Cichlid on Facebook. That's O apostrophe Cichlid. And follow on Instagram at ben.o.cichlid. Thank you so much.